So let's take care of our cancel button first because it's the easy part. When we cancel, we want to dismiss our view here, and we want to go back. So right now, if I click on cancel, nothing happened, but here on my ready application, dismisses and goes back to welcome view. So what we are going to do here also, before when we cancel, we want to clean all the text fields and we want to get rid of the keyboard. So we have a handy function for this, clean text fields and dismiss keyboards. I'm going to copy them and put here mark helpers, and I'm going to paste them here. Just one difference, when we clean the text fields, now we are going to clean all our text fields here. So I'm going to say name text field, the text is empty string, then we have surname text field, we have the country, let's copy this one twice, and we have the city, and finally we have the phone number. So we clean our text fields and we have dismiss keyboard here. So when we click on our cancel button, we want to clean text fields, we want to dismiss the keyboard, and also we want to go back to our welcome view. So in order to do this, I'm going to say self.dismiss, and we're going to dismiss the view animated true. We want to animate it, and completion, there is nothing going to happen when we on the completion, so I'm passing nil here. So let's run our application to check if it's working. I will click registration, and now if I click on cancel, some reason we cannot click the button. So let's see, maybe they are under the text field there, under our label, because it's on top there. Let's see, our label is here on top and our buttons are underneath. So if I transfer my label here on the view hierarchy, let's try this, and I'm going to update my constraints here. Let's try now. So let's see if our cancel button even gets clicked. So this is a way of debugging our codes to see what's going on. First, we want to to check if our buttons are getting called. You see, nothing is being printed here, so our buttons simply doesn't work. We cannot click them. So Also, I can see that it's touching the notch there, so maybe this is the case. Let's bring everything down, and I'm going to update our constraints here, and let's run again. Okay, you can see the cancel prints out, and also our view disappeared. So it was just a thing with iPhone 10. It was too close to the notch and it wasn't working. So our cancel button is working, and the next thing we are going to do is to move to the down button. So it's finish registration.